Enough of the intro, right? Let's get back to business. The cream part of my session, the framework of a business model. It's confusing a little bit. Don't worry, I will explain each part in detail. The business model is all about answering the why, what, who, and how of your business. Simple, isn't it? Let's start with why, or the purpose, or why you are doing what you're doing. Do not forget to see Simon Sinek's TEDx talk about the why. He's amazing in explaining this. It's all about defining your why. It should be never a marketing gimmick. It should come straight from your heart. This should wake you up in the morning, and this should make you burn you midnight oil. Now let's hit the what part of it. This is all about your product or services. What is that you are trying to solve? Is it an existing problem, or is it satisfying some need, or is it something else? Now the who part. Who are you serving? Who are your customers? And finally the how. How do you organize yourselves as well as your business to make these products or services? At this stage, let's keep this in macro level. I will definitely get into details of each of these four later. Let's get to know what are configuration, offering, and experience, which are on the top. Configuration. This phase is the creation of value. This is where all the costs in order to create value is incurred. It covers all the elements required in successful creation of value. Second is experience. It's all about a customer journey. What are the touch points of a potential customer in the process of delivering the value? That is the phases from capturing to delivery of value. What you see in the middle is offering. This is in terms of value proposition and products and services. A bit on value proposition. What are you trying to solve here? Are you resolving a pain point, or satisfying a need, or giving a premium experience? Product or services. Which form do you pack your value? Is it in the form of a product or in the form of a service, or both? Towards end, there are something called multipliers and levers. What are multipliers? It's all the touch points in the customer journey are called multipliers. Since the optimization of any of these canvases would only multiply the experience and thus result in greater value and revenue conversion. So what is levers? All the phases in the configuration are called levers. Since the canvases under this are leveraged optimally, would reduce cost or reduction or lesser in investment. So to sum up, if I make all these in one sentence, it would be like this. Who would experience your value, and how can you multiply this experience? It's that simple framework.